Hello, health enthusiasts! Welcome to our channel where we explore everything about maintaining a healthy lifestyle. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share our content with your friends. Today we're taking a closer look at sugar and its impact on our health. It's vital to understand how this sweet substance affects our bodies, from the energy highs to the potential lows. So, are you ready to delve into the sweet yet potentially harmful world of sugar? Let's get started. Sugar, it's everywhere. In our morning coffee, our favorite desserts, and even in some of our savory foods. But did you know, not all sugars are created equal? There's glucose, the primary energy source for your body. It's found in things like bread, pasta, and rice. Then there's fructose, a naturally occurring sugar in fruits and honey. It's also a component of high fructose corn syrup, a common sweetener in processed foods and drinks. Lastly, we have sucrose, or table sugar, which is a combination of glucose and fructose and is used in a variety of foods and beverages. Health organizations suggest an intake of around 6 to 9 teaspoons of sugar a day for adults. But let's face it, many of us are consuming a lot more than that. Now that we have a basic understanding of sugar and its prevalence in our diets, it's time to uncover the impact it has on our health. We often hear too much sugar is bad for you, but what exactly does too much mean and how does it affect our health? Well, let's start with obesity. Consuming too much sugar can lead to weight gain. When we eat sugar, our body converts any that it doesn't immediately need into fat. If we consistently consume more sugar than our body can use for energy, the excess fat can pile up, leading to obesity. Next up is diabetes. When we eat sugar, our body produces insulin, a hormone that helps regulate our blood sugar levels. However, when we have too much sugar in our diet, our body may start to resist insulin, meaning it can't do its job properly. This can lead to higher blood sugar levels and eventually type 2 diabetes. Now let's talk about heart disease. Excessive sugar intake can lead to weight gain and high blood pressure, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. Additionally, too much sugar can increase levels of unhealthy fats in the blood, which can clog the arteries and lead to heart disease. Lastly, we have tooth decay. When we eat sugar, the bacteria in our mouth feast on it, producing acids that can eat away at our tooth enamel, leading to cavities and tooth decay. So we've seen how sugar can contribute to obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and tooth decay. But how does this process work? Well, when we eat sugar, it triggers a surge of dopamine, a feel-good hormone in our brain. This rush of pleasure can make us crave more sugar, creating a vicious cycle that can be hard to break. To put it simply, our body isn't designed to handle large amounts of sugar. While a little bit can provide a quick source of energy, too much can overload our system, leading to a host of health problems. The effects of excessive sugar consumption are indeed alarming. But what about sugar addiction? Is it real? Let's find out. The term sugar addiction has been thrown around quite a bit, but is it a real condition? Let's dive into the science of it. Your brain is designed to love sweet things. It's a survival mechanism that dates back to our ancestors who needed to find ripe fruits for survival. And this is where sugar comes into the picture. It's sweet, it's ubiquitous, and it triggers a rush of dopamine in your brain, the very same chemical that gives you a feeling of satisfaction and pleasure. Numerous studies have found that when we consume sugar, our brain's reward system lights up, just like it would if we were consuming drugs or alcohol. This pleasure response can lead to cravings for more sugar, which in turn can lead to overconsumption. This is where the controversy lies. Some experts argue that this reaction to sugar is not an addiction per se, but rather a biological response to a pleasurable stimulus. On the other hand, some scientists contend that sugar's effect on the brain's reward system is so strong that it can be classified as an addictive substance. In fact, research has shown that rats given intermittent access to sugar water exhibit behaviors similar to those seen in drug addiction, such as binging, cravings, and even withdrawal symptoms when sugar is taken away. However, it's important to remember that our brains are complex, and our relationships with food are multifaceted. There's more to the story than just biology. Psychological factors, environmental influences, and individual differences all play a role in our eating behaviors. So, is sugar addiction a real condition? The jury's still out. But one thing is clear. Sugar has a powerful effect on our brains and can lead to patterns of consumption that are hard to break. Whether or not we label it as an addiction, it's clear that our bodies can develop a strong preference for sugar. So, how do we control these cravings? It's a question that we'll delve into in the next section, as we explore strategies for managing our relationship with sugar. Controlling sugar cravings can be a daunting task. However, with the right strategies, it's absolutely achievable. Controlling sugar cravings starts with understanding your body and its needs. Consuming balanced meals can play a significant role in this. Aim for meals that include a good mix of proteins, fats, and complex carbohydrates. Not only will these foods keep you full and satisfied, but they also help to stabilize your blood sugar levels, preventing those steep spikes and crashes that can trigger sugar cravings. Staying hydrated is another crucial factor. Sometimes our bodies mistake thirst for hunger. So the next time you find yourself reaching for a sugary snack, try drinking a glass of water first. You might just find that it was thirst, not hunger, driving that urge. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep either. When we're tired, our bodies often crave quick energy boosts, and sugar can seem like an easy solution. Prioritize quality sleep to help your body function optimally and reduce the likelihood of sugar cravings. Now let's talk about substitutes. Finding healthy alternatives for your favorite sugary treats can be a game changer. Love chocolate? Opt for dark chocolate, which has less sugar and is packed with antioxidants. Can't resist a sweet drink? Try infusing your water with fresh fruits for a natural sweetness. There's a healthy alternative out there for almost every sweet treat. Lastly, remember that it's okay to indulge your sweet tooth occasionally. Depriving yourself completely can lead to binge eating. It's about moderation, not complete elimination. Mindfulness is key. Pay attention to what you're eating and why you're eating it. Are you actually hungry, or are you bored, stressed, or tired? Recognizing these patterns can help you make healthier choices. With these strategies, you're well equipped to manage your sugar intake. But remember, it's not about completely eliminating sugar from your diet, but rather about achieving a healthier balance. So there you have it, the truth about sugar and its impact on your health. We've explored the different types of sugar, delved into its effects on our health, confronted the bitter reality of sugar addiction, and shared some strategies to control those pesky sugar cravings. As we wrap up, let's remember that moderation is key, even with sugar. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more health-related content. Until next time, stay healthy.